Hi, back again with Michael. This is as an officer at Heritage Library, City. Today we're gonna do a vinyl record turntable. We have a collection from I think Canberra Grammar School. It's Australian Christmas. So we gonna do the same idea. We're still gonna use the Audacity to capture the digital format, and the computer are connected by USB cable all the way from this turntable, and also we connect this audio cable at the back there to the audio monitor. I'm going to put this one on. Exciting about it. Don't forget to turn it on, of course. Put this on already. And then we're gonna do audio check. Run. Check the volume here. Play. There's a different speed number based on the. There is a different speed number based on the setting of each vinyl record. It should be mentioned on the package or on the boxes we come in for, and we can adjust. This is like the correct speed for this record. And if I flick that a little bit, they go a little bit faster, very fast. But this is the correct speed. And that one. And go back to audio. Very similar too. We have to create destination project to document. 2021, July 2021, and we've got, I've got call number there. Just give me a moment. So we're doing the right thing. So the one H 782.5. Wooden fairly core. And I'm gonna create this one as a record. Create the folder as a record, and this one is Canberra Grammar School. And Australian Christmas. And since the audio is good, we're going to stop them. This is another thing I can show you. So we can actually leave the one there. We leave the from there. We'll stop. And we're gonna start to record the audio. Similar thing. Hit the record button. We will start recording, and then we'll drop the player. It's very good level, as you can see. 24, I think we can always adjust the volume from here, if I'm not mistaken. No. And then when we finish, stop recording, same step like with the audio tape and also reel to reel. Just go to file, export as a web file, and we find that the folder destination that we want to, that we've been setting earlier, we set up earlier, and then go on that one, record, Canberra Grammar School, copy that one, check that one, it's a bit quicker. And then we export an MP3 as well. And then the process should be good, and after that we will store in a carrier, thumb drive or external hard drive, and then we will do some digital enhancing process on the Adobe Premiere on a different computer. Hi everyone, hello there, back with Michael, the Digitization Officer at ICT Heritage Library. This time I want to show you how we are converting an audio file from oral history or from several carrier like reel-to-reel, audio cassette, or a vinyl record from turntable. And we already have one collection here, oral history collection. Give me a moment, go back to that one. ICT Canberra Panel Engineering History, Engineering Heritage Australia. And we are going to copy that file. And we are using Adobe Premiere. I'm gonna open Adobe Premiere. We are create new project, and then copy that file collection name and a number that we copied earlier, and then we are going to store them in the external hard drive. I've got DG3 here available. I'm just gonna save it there. As for example, select folder, and I'll say OK. We are on the Premiere now. Now we need to create a sequence. We're gonna name the sequence a box. We're gonna create the bin because this comes from different box. Sometimes the collection is coming from different box. So I'm gonna pick box 1. From there, just gonna copy that call number, create the bin. So right click up here, new bin, and that's a box 1. Actually I just do box 1, be easier. And then we have the bin, it's specialized for every file, audio file from box 1. We're going back to the folder, box 1 with audio cassette, for example. We'll have MP1 Mr. Charles Bulb, create that one. And then we're gonna create a sequence, so Control N. And then name the sequence, Control V. We have a sequence now. Now we are going to drag that sequence. So we have master copy, which is a WAV file and MP3 file. We are converted straight away from the audio cassette. So we're gonna drag that one over here to our sequence here. We have that one. Play. We got the right one. And I'm going to modify the audio channel into the mono, so it will allow me to play 2 lines of audio here, and in order to export to the stereo when we finish the process. So just hit comma, and we will have 2 lines of audio here. left and right. Press home button. It will take us to the beginning of the audio and play. As you can see, the audio meter here is a little bit low, just hit 18, but however, it might picking up along the way. It's a bit too low now. I'm just gonna enhance the audio level, so right click over here and then go to the audio gain. Okay, bring this one a little bit closer to this one up here. And then I'll put probably about 6 decibel higher and try. That's much better. And if you hear that properly, there's a clicking noise that quite annoying to be inside the collection. So what I do is I want to hit this effect button here. Wait. And then we go to this effect button. We're gonna go hit the audio effect and then hit noise reduction restoration and just hit that automatic click remove. I'll expand it a little bit so you can read them. We'll just drag that one to the audio, and this is supposed to be allow us to get rid of that clicking noise. Is it different? That's different. Go back to that one. If I redo that one, then we have much better noise and clean noise. And yeah.
You need to do this once again.
Yeah. Then do one again. Okay. We do that one more time. So as you can see, so start from the effect. Yeah.
Got that one and then like that from here again.
Yeah.
Because
Sure. Okay. So we are going to effect and audio effect, and then go to the audio. Where is the audio effect? Hang on. Yes, we are on the audio effect, and just go to noise reduction or restoration. Just hit the automatic click remover.
later in life and then they're usually gone. Which is a shame.
So that's end of the tape now. We can cut in the end. So hit W button. We'll click the end. Now if you go back, hit the home button to the beginning. So we're able to store it into the stereo now level, and also get rid of that clicking noise as well. So I'm very happy with that. So we are going to produce an MP4 file. So what we do into this Control M, then pick the format. So we are going to MP3, and then preset. I'm going to the highest one, high quality. And then we need to set destination folder for this one. So it's gonna go to the destination oral history. This one is panel engineering, box 1, audio cassette, tell us bulb on digital enhance. Save to there. Just go example, go outside there, save, and we'll export them. Remaining about 6 minutes. So when we finish, the end product will be the digital enhance, and will be here as a MP3. We can play them. That's finished now, and let's cancel that one. And we are going to produce a web file as well for preservation and storage So Control M as well, and then change the format. We do have waveform audio over here, and then check the outcome, still on the Digi3, and panel of engineering, box 1, audio cassette, Charles bulb, save, and then we're going to export that, and then this is the end product wave file of the MP1 Charles bulb 1710-2003-1. So in the Charles bulb collection, we will have master copy, both of them MP3 and wave, which is the original copy straight from the tape or any other carrier like reel-to-reel or vinyl record. And digital enhanced, this is the one are ready to store and ready to be published. So that's about it, and I hope that will be useful, and we'll see you next time.